Video doorbells.
Video doorbell. Monitor your home in high-def 1080p. Free cloud storage with no subscription fees. Two-way audio with built-in camera and speakers with noise cancellation. Lets you communicate with visitors from anywhere. Home security is made easy with passive infrared radiation sensor, detecting the slightest motion. Receive instant mobile notification directly to your phone from anywhere. Protect your home day and night with infrared night vision. Weather resistant, suitable for outdoor conditions. The V7 Video Doorbell features 1080p HD video, two-way audio, weather resistant, mobile notification, motion detection, wide-angle camera lens, night vision, rechargeable batteries, and free cloud storage. The smart video doorbell lets you stay connected. Greet your guests from anywhere.
Hello.
Happy birthday! Hi! Hello! Hey, Mom!
Hello, the package here.
Please leave the package.
Hey, can I help you?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Hi, honey. I'm home.
Yeah, of course. One moment. Hello.
Hi. You have a package.
Please leave the package at the door. Hey, hello.
I'll be waiting here.
Wait for me. Wait for a moment.
Introducing the August Doorbell Cam. See and speak with visitors at your door, even when you're away from home. When somebody rings your August Doorbell Cam, you'll be instantly notified through your August app. With the one-way HD video camera and two-way audio, greet visitors just like you were at home.
Hello?
How you doing? Have a package for delivery?
I'll unlock the door. Please leave it on the table.
Oh, yeah, sure.
No more deliveries left on the doorstep.
All right. Have a great day.
You can even check that your door is locked after your visitor leaves, right from the August app. Get a new level of security and receive instant notifications when Doorbell Cam detects motion from visitors or when Doorbell Cam is pressed.
Hello?
Oh, I didn't realize someone was home. I'm selling magazine subscriptions. Can I sell you one?
No thanks. I'm not interested.
With Doorbell Cam's motion detection and instant notifications, keep an eye on your home even when you're away. Whether you missed a visitor or want to replay an earlier conversation, Doorbell Cam records each interaction at your door. Have peace of mind knowing your package arrived, even if someone else in your family answered the door. With August Doorbell Cam, know who's at your door even when you're not home. Receive instant alerts when visitors arrive at your door. Protect your privacy with two-way audio and one-way HD video. And have peace of mind with recorded video. Whether you missed a visitor or want to replay a conversation, Doorbell Cam records each interaction at your door. The August Doorbell Cam is part of the August Home Access System. Welcome to a life that's more simple and secure.